Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe for all new videos. So let's get started. Here we have some solar powered spinning butterflies, great for your garden or backyard. I purchased these butterflies from Dollarama. I personally love butterflies, so I figured why not pick up a couple of them, as they were only $3.50 each. At any time you can pause the video and read the outside of the boxes. On the box, it's pretty much just saying everything that's included in the box and how to put it together. Showing you a picture what it would look like in your flower bed. It also mentions that it requires one AAA battery. The battery is not included. And on the other side of the box, it shows you where the battery inserts, along with the switch on the bottom, choosing one of the settings, one with solar power settings and one with battery power settings. These butterflies come in 3 different colors. You can purchase red, yellow, or blue. And on my way out, I picked up these AA batteries that are rechargeable. But when I got home, I realized I made a big mistake. I ended up grabbing the AA batteries and I need the AAA. So guess what? It's back to the store I go. Now that I'm back home, it's time to unbox these things and stick the right battery inside. So one butterfly I purchased was yellow and the other one was blue. And now I have the right batteries. So if you're looking to purchase this item, make sure to pick up the AAA batteries. These AAA batteries, I just grabbed them from Walmart. Okay, so it's time to unbox them, showing you how big they are and what they look like, and seeing how fast they spin. The first one I'm going to unbox is the yellow butterfly. So all these pieces are plastic, but the attachment from the butterfly to the top spinner is a metal wire. Right here you can see the solar panel that is fixed in place. You can't move it. Now this item comes in pieces. So it looks like here you have 2 sticks that stick together, and then you can put it in your stake stick. This is good if you want it to fly higher in your plants. If not, then just use the one stick. And on this part, just pull off the cover and insert your battery. Again, using the AAA battery that is rechargeable. And then just slide your cover back on. Next, attach your butterfly. Now if you want to see if it works, just flip it to on. You can hear it as it flutters around. So when you stake this item into the ground, make sure your solar panel is facing the sun. This butterfly will run as long as it has solar power energy to run it. Time to unbox the blue one. You want to make sure to push it down quite firmly so they don't fly off in the wind or when it's spinning. I always like to test my products before I get them out into my garden. Unfortunately, this one would not work after I turned it on, so it might need some solar power charging, but at least now you know what the blue one looks like. If you're interested in purchasing this item, I picked this up at the Dollarama. I bought this item last year, and this year I see they have it out for sale again. It's a pretty cute idea, but my butterflies only lasted the 1 year. From all the wind and weather, the butterflies attached didn't last very long. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe for all new videos, as I post new videos almost every day. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.